LawDepot Power of Attorney Forms app. The pros, the cons. Most people get overwhelmed when they need a power of attorney, but the LawDepot Power of Attorney Forms app simplifies the process like nothing else. You won't believe how quickly it can guide you through creating a legally valid document that fits your exact needs. The app offers a step-by-step questionnaire that covers every key aspect of granting authority, from financial decisions to healthcare choices. It automatically generates the document in your state's legal format, ensuring compliance and reducing the risk of errors. This is particularly useful for people managing estates, planning for emergencies, or handling complex family situations. Another major advantage is customization. Users can select specific powers, set effective dates, and include special instructions tailored to their circumstances. The app also provides detailed guidance and explanations for each section, making it easy for first-time users to understand the implications of their decisions. However, there are some cons. While LawDepot is excellent for standard power of attorney forms, highly specialized cases may still require consultation with a licensed attorney. Certain states or jurisdictions may have nuanced legal requirements not fully covered by the app. Additionally, while some features are free, accessing the full range of templates and advanced options typically requires a subscription. In conclusion, the LawDepot Power of Attorney Forms app is a fast, convenient, and reliable way to create essential legal documents without navigating complex legal jargon. Its step-by-step guidance, state-specific formatting, and customization options make it ideal for anyone looking to take control of their legal planning efficiently. While it's not a replacement for legal counsel in complex scenarios, it's a practical tool that saves time and reduces stress for most users.